Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and today I want to have a chat with you about the DigiByte Go wallet. So, as you can see, compared to previously, it's been revamped significantly. Looks very different, a lot more in keeping with the mobile wallet theme, so it looks great. It's really cool to see this kind of branding all coming together and aligning, and it looks really good now. So I want to give a bit of a shout out, obviously, really quickly to the developers, Gary, Jared especially, for all their work that they've been doing on this and the testing that we've been doing together. I know I've kind of gone back to them with a lot of feedback and things, and it's been really cool to see this just growing so much. So this has been now rolled out to 100% of all people, so that's why I'm doing the video now rather than previously where we'd rolled it out to a smaller select number through the Chrome store. So this update is now available to everybody. Your wallet should now look like this with the darker background compared to previously where it had the white background. So anyway, with the DigiByte Go wallet, you can see here I've just fired it up for the first time. It says that it's all ready to go. And what I'm going to do is I'll go into my personal wallet here, and it's going to say that I have no transactions, I've got no DigiByte, but what I can do here is I can click on View Assets. So what I'm actually going to do is if I click on Receive down here, it's going to give me a screen. Now what I'll actually do is, all of these are kind of flying by the seat of my pants. None of them are ever pre-recorded or anything or post-edited, so if you see a little bit of a delay, that's a genuine delay based on me thinking about things or loading up websites, for example. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is we have here a DigiByte address. So instead what I'm going to do is I will bring up my mobile wallet here and I'm going to send by scanning cell phone here. What I'll do is I'll hold this up to the screen. It's going to give me the address. I'm going to enter in a quantity and I'm going to hit send. Touch the fingerprint sensor. Right, so it's going there, send. What's now going to happen is I'm sending the DigiAsset to this address. So, although we haven't yet released it for the DigiByte DigiAssets update for iOS, you can still use this on any computer with this as a Chrome extension. So what we can do now is if we go back to the home page here, you can see it says here 0.00006 DigiByte. Now that's the UTXO that contains the DigiAsset, so if we click on my personal wallet here, we can go to View DigiAssets. And it's still applying. There we go. So, my first DigiAsset. Congratulations, this is my first DigiAsset. Now, what I want to do is explain to you why we have this little icon up in the corner here. Unfortunately, some of the restrictions around the way that the Chrome extensions are allowed to access URLs and pictures and things like that out on the internet basically means that at the moment this isn't able to load the images. Now the team are looking into ways that we can work around this, potentially with some caching, but basically it's because the extension itself is not allowed to go out and into the internet and grab this picture. It still works though, the picture is still there, you can still view it on the blockchain, and DigiAssets overall still allows you to both send and receive them. So this is basically it's just an unfortunate side effect at the moment, a limitation of Google Chrome. It's something that is being worked on though, and hopefully we can get it sorted in a future release. There's also talk about making a standalone downloadable wallet that people can run on their computer, which might work around this instead as well, rather than using it specifically just as a Chrome extension. There's also talks about using this potentially as an Android or an iOS release as well, in addition to the current wallets. So there's a bunch of options that we've got that we're kind of toying with at the moment, but this is a nice early look at the newly released and publicly available DigiByte Go wallet that is available for everybody now. So how do you get your hands on this? The easiest way is if you bring up your browser and you go to digibyte.io. From there, at the top here, we can go to Wallets, and then if you scroll down, you'll see down here the DigiByte Go wallet. Click on that, install it in Chrome, super easy. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you will get the DigiByte Go wallet, get started with some DigiAssets, sing out in the comment section below here on YouTube, or you can tweet me at DGBChilling, and I'm sure people will see that and be able to send you your first DigiAsset to get you started. I'm also going to talk a little bit more about what's been happening with the createDigiAssets.com website over the coming days as well, fill you in a little bit about that, where it's going, what we're going to be doing with it, and the likes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Consider leaving a like, subscribe, put out content most days for people, keeping you up to date with what's going on with DigiByte. Anyway, I'll talk to you in the next video. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.